Alright, here we go. First drive in our new Hijet. This thing drives very nicely. It's fuel injected and it's got power steering and it's got air conditioning. What more do you need? Maybe a radio. This thing is driving great. I'm loving it so far. Let's take a look around. This is a 99 Daihatsu Hijet. Got this factory bed on here. Look how freaking clean it is. Very nice. Turn that off. Factory cup holders in the K-truck. This is a rare commodity. Very nice. Couple of storage cubbies. Let's see. Smoke-free vehicle. Kind of like this shifter. Yep, this is great. AC is so cold. Turn that down. Sheesh, ready for summer. All right, let's head back.